Love you, Justin.
Before our Prime Minister speaks, I just wanted to mention a couple of things. First of all, I forgot to mention our Minister, who's incredibly important to us. Of course, the Prime Minister is very important, but she's even more important because she's from here. It's going to be Tassie, so please do not forget. The Minister Tassie's office has been great to us over the years. Whatever help we've always needed, we've always had cooperation from them. And also, Nani, I wanted to mention a couple of things about the Prime Minister. This is a guy, long time ago when I used to chase you guys for signing up memberships for when he ran for the leadership. You know why we did all that? If you remember the previous Prime Minister, he wanted to have a snitch line for us, and he wanted to make sure that we were old stock or new stock stuff. This guy made sure our Canadians are Canadians, So I'm very proud to have him here at our mosque in Hamilton to speak in behalf of the President. And I know for sure whatever the Islamophobia stuff that's going on, I know this guy personally. I know he's going to do well, and his staff and everybody else that's around him, all the ministers that are there, they're going to do well for our community, and they're going to do well for everybody, because democracy only works if your minorities are taken care of. And I know this Prime Minister will definitely do that. Assalamu
alaikum. What a pleasure to be with you here this morning, my friends. Eid Mubarak. And I will tell you, it's been a long year, and it is so good to see people gathering again. Not quite as crowded in as we're used to still, but knowing that we're able to gather now together because Canadians across the country in so many different places, in so many different communities, have been stepping up to keep each other safe. It is a better summer than we had over the past many months. Because of the tremendous leadership of this community amongst others. I want to highlight what a pleasure it is to be back in Hamilton with Minister Philomena Tassie, who's a strong voice for all of you and a strong voice around our cabinet table. The opportunity to celebrate Eid together with family, slightly more gatherings, celebration with the kids. It's also a recognition of it's a time of reflection, a time of sacrifice. And